Hello, so we want to evaluate what we have on the board. X power 2x plus 1 equal to 729x. Right, so solution. So from here, if you have x power 2x plus 1 equal to 729x, so you divide both sides by x, x will cancel x. Right, so you know from here you have invisible 1. If you bring this up, you have minus 1. You have x power 2x plus 1 minus 1. Alright, so this will come up. This is now equal to 729. So 1 will cancel 1. 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So you have x power 2x equal to 729 is the same thing as 3 raised to the power 6. So 3 raised to the power 6. Right? But remember, you want to find the value of x. Then from here, you can put this as x power 2 equal to 3 raised to the power 6. So if you multiply the power by 1 over 2, so we have multiply the power by 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. 2 will cancel 2. And here, 6 will cancel 2. We will be left with 3. Hence, we have x power x equal to 3 power 3. Since what we have here is identical to what you have here, so we have x raised to the power x and 3 raised to the power 3. You equate the power. This will cancel this, or just equate it and you get that your x is equal to 3. As simple as that.